Here we have the Toyota Tundra. This is the 2023 model in the TRD Pro CrewMax Hybrid Edition. Now it has a few upgrades. It does have the upgraded rims, and it has the Fox shocks that you can see here, which do give it a bit of a lift. Kind of has this almost like a black camo look on the sides. It does have a full stealth wrap, so it's paint protection film that gives it almost like a matte finish on the whole entire truck. It also has the black roof and the black paint protection film sticker there sort of on the hood. It's got upgraded headlights. It's got the light bar in the front and down below. So come around here. It's got the side steps, which are more for protection. I think they're called Predator bars. In the front has that almost camo red leather. Tux mat. Toyota across the dash here. Center console that lifts up, as well as the full one that opens up there too. Wireless charge pad for your phone. Nice big audio screen with the navigation system. Panoramic sunroof. TRD Pro decals. Power driver and passenger seat with height control on the passenger seat as well. In the back here, it's got your covers for the hybrid battery. Seats flip up on both sides. And then you do get your USB ports and USB-C ports, as well as an actual power outlet there. And then from the handle they fold down, and from the back that'll fold down like that as well, with some storage behind where your jack and tools are. And then in the middle you have your cup holders there too. It's got the TRD sort of brake signal light, maybe. TRD Pro badge stamped on the back. It's got parking sensors. Has the step to help step up into the box, which you can kick to kick back up. Dual exhaust off the side there. It does have a button on the side here that'll release the tailgate. Has the hard composite bed, so it's very, very durable for basically a plastic bed. This one's got the Toyota tonneau cover on it. And then when we come over to the driver's side, it should have a remote starter built in that you would just need to subscribe to the Toyota app. But however, when you are subscribed, you hit lock 3 times and hold it down the 3rd time, and it will start the truck. And then in here you got all your heated steering wheel, automatic headlights and high beams, TRD light bar to turn that on, manual tilt and telescopic steering, and then you get your memory seats on the door here. And then we'll start it up so you can kind of hear what it sounds like. So I'll go back really quick to hear the exhaust. Sounds really, really good. It's got 4,735 kilometers on this one. And then you have all your Drive Connect, your Bluetooth settings, navigation if you choose to activate it. You get the 360 camera. So when you're in drive, you can hit that button there and it's going to turn on the front camera. And with that, you do have options to change what it views as well. So if you are, putting a trailer on, or if you're off-roading, and you need to see exactly what your truck is doing, you have that option there. Or just front or rear or sides, you can obviously adjust that too. Heated and cooled seats. And then it's got dual climate control, skid control, rear differential lock. Comes with a brake controller built in. And then here you got your tow haul mode, drive mode, so eco, normal, and sport. Multi-terrain select with your crawl control and downhill acceleration control there. And then the, radar cruise, lane departure alert. That's all standard. And then you do get the TRD badging on the steering wheel with sort of the red stitching and stuff there. So if you have any questions, it's Mike here at Lexus South Point, and I can definitely help you and go from there. Thanks for watching.